Oh, I just fell.
Try to get them now.
Okay. What's that one? Huh? Really good. Brown sugar one's really good. Gotta stop. Yeah, now you can.
Part of her being a bitch.
Yeah. You're being a monster.
We're getting proof of it. We're sending it to the police.
She smiles a little. Quick. Oh. did it. Woo! Skynet 60!
There was virtually no danger.
Woo! Virtually no danger. Right here.
Yeah.
Why do you always stop when I turn the video camera on, you dingy? What you doing? Hey!
Hey.
Don't put that in your mouth.
No.
Whoa! I got a video of that. Don't. Oh, help. Oh, I just fell. Hello.
Hello.
Tiki.
Oh, Tia.
Just like bye.
Tia.
Whoa!
Holy cow. Can't buy things with money.
Right?
Castle
Yeah,
rocks.
it's fine.
I was waiting for my family.
Yeah, like where did all these pillows come from?
I don't know.
But what on
Oh,
earth?
did you turn on our AC and shut the windows?
Oh, I shut the windows, but
Okay. Because I didn't turn the AC on before you left.
she like, where did this thing even come from? Like this trash can, where did it come
I
from?
didn't clean anything. Oh, and she fixed my mats.
Yeah, she fixed your mats. She got us an actual laundry basket.
She left my laundry where I wanted it, so she didn't mix them together.
That's
She
crazy.
gave us a shelf. She put all the extra stuff on there.
That's literally insane. This is so like immaculate.
Right?
Look how beautiful.
Oh, she like put all the snacks there. She put my dice.
So if she wants to come organize my life, that would be
That'd be great.
great.